Alright, so what's up everybody, welcome back to the TechCider channel. Today we are back again at PC Planning. This is part 13 and today we're going over the best setup you can get for $420. Nice. So let's jump straight into it, shall we? Alright, so we all know you can't get a brand new PC for $420, let alone a whole setup. So first things first, we're gonna start off with the Dell i5 desktop computer PC, which comes with an i5 2550K. So this is actually a still pretty good processor for this budget, and it comes with Windows 10, 16 gigs, 250 gigs SSD at $180, which is just amazing, you know. $180 for refurbished, and you can trust it. Wait, let me show you. It is a top-rated Plus seller. So eBay actually trusts it with their lives, with their money. So if you don't get it, you can always contact eBay and they will give you your money back. Alright, and as you probably know, 250GB is not enough for gaming today. So you can get a Seagate Barracuda 1TB for $32. I'm not gonna get Toshiba or Western Digital that old, but this one is pretty good. $31.5, 1TB of storage will work pretty good. It's also 7200 RPM, so it is a bit faster than those. And as you probably know, you will need a graphics card to go with it because a processor alone can't handle these games. So you're gonna get the Asus Dual OC 6500 XT for $120, which is just nothing honestly, and it can game at 1080p pretty good. And even some games at 4040p. I will post every benchmark in the description, so make sure to check it out. Alright, and you know a setup can't be a setup if it doesn't have a monitor, so we are going to get the viewSonic VA2055SM. It is a 19.5 inch monitor, 1080p resolution, 60 Hz refresh rate. The response time is a little freaky, but it's fine. It has a VA panel, which is pretty good, and it's only $65, so it's pretty good. And as for the keyboard and mouse, we are going to get the Microsoft Desktop 900 wireless combo for only $10. Do you realize how cheap it is? It's so goddamn cheap. Alright, and as for the speakers, you're going to get the Acoustics CA-2016WB for $1349. It has a pretty good looking, and it has a 260 to 20 kHz frequency response for 3 watts total wattage. Really? It's not using a lot of electricity at all, so $1349, nothing. Alright, and so in addition to the $180 that you spent at the desktop, you will have to pay $240. So combining both of those, you can get a $420 setup, just like that. So I will show you now some performance benchmarks, so see you there. Alright, so on Forza Motorsport 7 you can game at 1080p, high settings, 99 FPS, which is just amazing for a setup for $420. It's not a PC, it's a whole setup, you know? So those extra $70 are being just thrown off, so it's a $350 computer. 99 FPS, 1080p on a relatively demanding game. Moving on to the next benchmark. Alright, and at Portal 2 you can game at 158 FPS, 1080p ultra settings. So we all know that it is not a very demanding game, but still it is pretty fun to play. And you know, just 158 FPS is a lot more than our monitor can handle, but it's really good, honestly. Next and last benchmark. And finally, on the Shadow of the Tomb Raider, you can expect at 64.6 FPS on 1080p high settings. That's just amazing, you know? It's a pretty demanding game, and 65 FPS for a $350 computer and $420 setup, it's really good, you know? So I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it, because I truly love helping people out with their budget concerns and everything. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.